Toby, what is it? What have you been staring at for the last 20 minutes? Toby, is that a turkey? Toby. You want the turkey? Huh? What if I step in front of it, huh? He changes. Watch. Am I blocking it? Am I blocking your view from the turkey? Huh? He's like getting depressed. Toby. he changes every time I step in front of it. Toby, it's not going to be for you. No, pups. Toby, that's not your turkey. No. He's so cute.